Science, Lesson 12. Welcome, everyone. We're so glad to see you again. Can everybody say hello? Hello. Hello. We'll begin, as usual, with meditation. Very good, meditation. So show me your two fingers. We'll use these to find our heart center, right? We want to locate our pulse, our heartbeat. Right? Deep breath in, out. Good. Our hands are open in our lap. Close our eyes. Focus our energy here in our center. Relax and try and clear your mind. Once you can feel it in your heart center, lay your other hand in your lap. Keep your focus on your center. Breathe normally, relax. Continue to breathe. Focus on your heart center. Feel your energy there. Clear your mind, relax your shoulders. Breathe and focus on your heart center. Okay, nice job, everyone. We'll slowly open our eyes. Take 3 deep breaths to come out of meditation. Ready? 1. In, nose, out, mouth. Good. 2. And 3. Very good. Stand up with me and we'll do our warm-up. Let's stretch up high to the sky first. Up, 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 up. Stretch like you mean it. Ooh. And then shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. And then we stretch Down to our toes. Good. Touch your toes. Stretch. And shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. Good. Very good. We spin 3 times. But wait, I want to change it up. This time, we're still going to spin 3 times, but we're going to switch directions. Watch me first. So 1, this way. 2, this way. Right? 3, back this way. Ah, this makes us a little dizzy, right? Okay, now when we jump 3 times, I want you to jump 1 as high as you can. Ready? 1. Oh, good one. And 2 as low as you can. Right? As little as you can jump. 3 as high as you can. Oh, very good. Good job. Have a seat. We'll get started. The first thing I want to talk about today's science lesson is go over the layers of soil that we learned last time. And I want to do that with a PowerPoint, so pay attention to the TV real quick. Soil. Good, yeah. So we learned about soil. Soil. Good, soil. We learned about the layers of soil, right? In the ground beneath us. Let's go over what we learned last time. Soil. Yeah. Or dirt. Dirt. Nickname dirt. Very good. Dirt. And then we learned sand. Sand. Close, close. Let me hear you say sand. Cyan. Sand. There it is. Sand. Now add the D on the end. Sand. Perfect. Sand. Good. Sand. We learned about sand too. Here's an image. Yeah, and it's gross looking. Clay. 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 Good. Remember, we decided that sand and clay share a level together. Yeah, clay. What about this picture? I heard it. Very good. Rock. Pot. Rock. Good. Rock. And then we talked about the layers in the soil, right? What's at the bottom? Rock. Yeah. And then we said clay and sand. And then soil or dirt. Very good. Those are the basic levels. There's more, but we won't get into them. Good. Okay. Let's look at some of these, right? Which one's this? Who knows what to call this? Very good. Rocks. I have a bunch of rocks. Ooh, heavy, heavy. I want you guys to take a look and a feel of the rocks. So I'm gonna pass them around, okay? Take a look at them and then pass them on. Cool. Pass them on. Ew, look at this one. Ew. What's this? What do we call this one? Is this rock? No. No. Is this soil? Yeah. Try again. We're going to call this sand and clay. Yeah. It's probably closer to clay since it's all wet. Clay. Clay. Yeah. So I want you all to touch and look at this one too. So I'll pass it around. Clay. Ew, huh? Gross. Rock. And finally, take a look at this one. What can we call this one? Very good. Soil. Soil. Good. Soil. Now I want you to look and feel soil or dirt. Soil. Feel it. Yeah. And pass it on. Yeah. Soil. Very good. Okay, well, they're finished passing around. Let's go over them again. Rock. Rock. Good, rock. Clay or sand? Yeah, clay or sand share a layer. But this is soil. Yeah, it's kind of a funny sounding word. Soil. Or dirt. Dirt. Okay? Rock. Clay. Soil. Good. Or dirt. Very good. Okay, so now, see this jar? Oh, a jar. We're gonna put all of this in our jar. Yeah, then we're gonna shake it up. Shake it up, yeah. And let it, yeah. And then we'll let it sit. Tomorrow, we'll look at the layers that it makes, right? They're gonna settle into layers of soil. We're gonna observe them and label them. But today, we'll mix them together. I wanna see what you think will happen though. Called a prediction. So this is our jar, okay? Pretend this is our jar. We have 3 possible outcomes for our jar today. Okay, so after we put our layers into our jar and shake them up, it could be soil, rock, clay. That's one. It could happen. Or could be clay, soil or dirt, and then rock. Right? This is the top. Or rock, sand or clay, how was I doing it? Yeah. Soil. Okay, right? So who thinks that the soil will go to the bottom? Who thinks that? Anybody? Do you think that this is what will happen? One? Couple? All right. Who thinks that this will happen? Who thinks that this will go to the bottom? 2? Yeah? Okay. Let's just say roughly we have 1 person that thinks the soil will go to the bottom. 2 people think the clay. Who thinks the rock will go to the bottom? Yeah. Somehow we have 7. Good. Which one do you guys think? will be the outcome. Let's say we have 7. Somebody voted twice, but I won't get into it. Okay, so let's see now. Let's put it together and see what happens, okay? We also are going to add water, by the way. Water. Okay, so I want you guys to help me on the rock part. It's a little less messy. So we'll start with rocks. Grab some rocks and put them in the jar. Set them in there, don't, you know what I mean? Yeah, get a couple, look, and set them in. There you go, that's perfect. Good, thank you, rocks. Have a seat. All right, Nadia, come add to it. Rock. Please add some rocks into the jar. Sure. Just get a handful, you know. Very nice. Very good. Pat, come add some rocks. Come to the side here. Add some rocks into the jar, please. Very good. Yeah, very good. Okay, Lakao, come add some rocks for us. Rock. Come here. Very good, very good. Good. Nice job. Have a seat. Let's do, I'll finish rocks. I know you want to do the clay. Rocks. I think that's plenty. Rocks. Next, let's add, you're not sticking your hand in there. This is, watch, clay. Gross. Okay, Pon, come. You're not putting your hand in here. Ready? You. Good job. Clay or sand. Good. Proud? Come help me add some more. Ready? You. Good job. Clay. Clay or sand? Very good. What's left? Soil or dirt. Come to this side, Pata. Let's pour so we don't get our hands dirty, okay? There you go. Very good, very good, thank you. Soil or dirt. Good, that's gonna be the last thing we add. Got it? Very good. Perfect, thank you. Soil, ew. Okay, what do we call this? No, we don't. I got this from outside. We don't drink this. Water. Ew. Water. Lid. Here comes the fun part. We shake it up. Good. Okay, it's heavy, so be careful, but I want to give everybody a chance to shake it up with me. Very good, good. Now, Nadia, shake it. It's heavy. There, shake it up. Very good. Pat, shake it for us. Don't smell it. Shake it. Very good. Becca, shake it. Very good. Shake it. Excellent. It's kind of heavy, huh? Shake it. Good. Very good. Yeah, probably doesn't smell good. Shake it. Excellent. Good job. Soil. So what we'll do now is we'll let it sit till tomorrow. Okay? And then we'll see what happens. So let's review real quick. Who thinks the soil will go to the bottom? Who thinks the soil? I don't think so either. Who thinks the clay will go to the very bottom? No. Who thinks the rocks will go to the very bottom? Yeah, so it looks like we think this one will happen. Okay, good. So tomorrow, next science lesson, we'll look at this. No, I am not gonna drink it. Absolutely not. So we'll put it over here, and we'll take a look at it next lesson, okay? Thank you for your help. That was good. So we'll see which one wins. It looks like most of us think that the rock will go to the bottom. Next, I want to talk a little bit more about some of the animals that live in the soil. We also touched on that last time. Remember we talked about spiders, right? Spiders and snakes. Yeah, spiders and snakes. And worms. Worms that live in the soil. I want to go over some of those again. So please pay attention to the PowerPoint presentation. We're going to do that together. Okay, so this presentation is called Life Under Your Feet, because the soil is below our feet. So take a look at some of the animals that live in the soil and the layers of soil, okay? What about these? Very good. Ant or ants. Yeah, here's an image of ants. They live in the soil. Yeah, ants. Got to be careful, right? They could bite us. Ouch. Let's see what else. Close. Not a snake, though. It's much smaller than a snake. Worm. Yeah, that's a funny word. Worm. Worm. Good. Show me a worm. Worm. Little worm, yeah. Little inchworm. Perfect. Worm. Worms live in the soil. Soil, worm. What about this one? Yeah, we know this one. Snake. 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 Good. Show me your snake. Very good. Snakes. Scare me. Ooh. Snakes. Good. What else? Snakes live in the soil. Yeah. What about these? Ooh, these are words we haven't seen very much. Last lesson, we did, remember the drawing that we did and we traced our hand, remember? And we did the layers of the soil. We had a groundhog in our picture last lesson. Groundhog. Yeah. This one we call in English groundhog. Let me hear you say ground. Hog. Groundhog. Excellent. And this one we call mole. Mole. Yeah. They live underground, right? Show me how they burrow, right? They dig. Good. Pretend you're a groundhog. Very good. And then they pop up. Yeah, they're small. Yeah. Groundhog and mole. Good. Ugh. Insects. Yeah, let me hear you say insect. Good. Insect. Good. Insect. Or a nickname for insect is bug. Bug. Lots of bugs. Right? We can have all kinds of bugs that live in the soil. Insect. Yeah. All kinds. Or bug. What about this one?
Spider.
Very good. Good. Spider.
Spider.
This is a big, scary spider. Spider.
Big.
Yeah, it's a big spider.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Yeah, I like that. Show me how we make a spider, remember? Yeah, that's how we make a spider in class. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Do it with me. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Very good. Spider. Spiders live in the soil as well. Soil. Soil. Very good. Okay, next we are going to make our own soil layers Papercraft, right? I'm going to do it along with you guys. First, I want to pass out the supplies, the sheets of paper. We'll fold them, glue them, and decorate them together. So get your paper and get out your crayons. Crayons, very good. Or colored pencils. Good. And follow along with us. All right, so now we've got a sheet of paper that looks a little bit like this, right? We've got a tall one and a short one, right? A tall one and a short one. This is what I want us to do. Take your tall one, tall one. Put your short one on top of it like this. Yeah, just like that. Good. That's how we're going to glue it. So your short one, glue, stick. What do we call this? Glue. We just learned it yesterday. Glue, right? So on the back of our short one, glue. Tall, short, okay? Glue it. Okay?
Okay.
I'll help you all. I'll give you a minute or two to do that. Share. Share with him too. Share. Share. Yeah, you just have to take turns, love. Here. And then give to Pakpong. Yeah, the back of your short one. Perfect. Yep. Yep, that's right. Yep, the back of your short one. Here. All right, cool. So now we've got something that looks like this, right? We've got one flap here and a second. All right, this is our paper. Okay, now we need crayon or pen or pencil, whatever you've got. We'll label first, okay? Start at the top. We're gonna label soil. Soil, which is S, right? O I L, soil. Yeah, your top one, soil. So our bottom one, who can guess what the bottom one is? Ah, very good. Rock. Our bottom one is rock. Rock is R O C. Okay. Rock. Perfect, just like that. That's very good. Yeah, just like that. Good. All right, while I have all of your attention, let's go ahead and do the back. Name. Yeah, name or nickname on the back while we're paying attention. Good, and we'll come back to the front. No, you're not. Write your name on the back. We've got to decorate it now.
What's your name? My name is
Very good. Okay, great. Now that we've got our names on the back, here's what we do. Open up your first one, like that. Show me that. Yeah. In here, I want you to color with your crayons. Color soil. You can color it pink if you want. Soil. Use your, here. The trick is I want you all to include animals in your drawing. So I want to see snakes and spiders and worms, right? So for me, I think I want a spider. So I'll draw a spider. Yeah, and then I want my soil to be, it says soil, and when we open it, it's a picture of soil. Soil. You don't have to draw what I drew. You can draw a snake instead if you want. Yeah. You could draw a worm. You could draw an ant. Draw whatever you want in the soil. All right? So our picture is hidden underneath. Good, good. Soil, yeah. Very good, spider. Very good. Draw whatever you want that lives in the soil. Soil. Very good. Very good, spider. That's what we're drawing here. Soil. See, we've got some green leaves in there. Some dirt. Probably some bugs. Soil. This is what we're drawing in the first square. Soil. Soil. Good. Ant? Yeah, you could draw an ant. Absolutely. Ant. So I think I would draw an ant like this, maybe. Like that, maybe? Very good, snake. Excellent. Good, spider. Yes, good. What's our second one? Second flap. It's going to be sand or clay, our next one. Right? I know sand can kind of be hard to draw, but... Sand. That's my next layer, right? So after we finish soil, Then we do clay and sand. This one? There you go, yep. And there, this. All right, under our second flap, we want to try and draw clay or sand as best we can. Very good, very good. Clay or sand, ew. I just made little waves on mine, like sand at the beach. Sand and clay under our second. Very good. So then our last one here will be rock. 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 And little bitty rocks too. Very good. It's very good. Good. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, so our very bottom one is going to be rock. Soil, sand and clay, and rock. Very good. All right, that's what's going to go here at the bottom. Rocks. At the bottom. Good. Very good, very good. There you go, Pata, just like that. Excellent. Very good. Yeah, put some color on those rocks and then you're ready to go. Good job. Okay, everyone, we can take our time coloring it in. My class is going to spend some more time making our displays as beautiful as we can with our colors. But that is going to be our last activity for this lesson. So can everyone say goodbye? Goodbye. Goodbye. Thanks for joining us. Have fun finishing. We'll see you next time.